It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we have another NPHC inspired nail look, and our organization for today is Psi Phi Fraternity Incorporated, and their colors are royal purple and old gold, or purple and gold, which are some of the items that I grabbed for you guys. So here I'm just showing you guys some of the purple and gold polishes that I got, and some purple and gold glitters and rhinestones. So as always, I'm going to first go in and paint the press-on nails with those purple and gold polishes. And if you have missed any of my gel polish swatch videos, definitely check those out so that you can see these colors. Some of them are by Beetles. So for this design, for some reason on the thumbnail, the purple wasn't covering that well, so I did have to do 3 coats on the thumb, but for the rest of the nails, 1 coat was enough. We have a few of these left, so if you missed any of the other organizations, make sure you check those out. For this nail, I'm going to do a half and half with glitter. I'm going to be using the glitters from my glitter line. The gold glitter is called Royalty, and the purple glitter is called Be Mine. The gold glitter is in stock, but the purple glitter is currently out of stock, and I will definitely let you guys know when I get more of it. So I went in with the bling gel on one side, dipped it into the gold, and then I went in with the bling gel on the other side and dipped it into the purple. And then of course, after I pat that glitter down, I'm going to put it in the lamp. For this nail, I am covering the whole nail with the bling gel, and I'm going to go in with some purple rhinestones right down the nail in a vertical line. And y'all know how I do it. I just put them on there, and then after they are pretty much on there, I rearrange them and make sure that my line is straight before I put them in the lamp. If you love this set, definitely let me know in the comments if you love it and if you will rock it. Also, give me some other color selections that you would like me to do some nail videos on. And of course, like and share the video, share it with your friends. We need everybody watching ItzSirap. For this nail, I used the gel polish that was purple and glittery. So on top of it, I'm going to go in with these gold rhinestones, and I originally was just going to do a line going straight down the center like the previous nail, but then I decided to add in a horizontal line, so it turned into a cross. And I put the bling gel all over the nail, and I'm just placing the rhinestones on and getting them in the right position before I pop them in the lamp. For the thumb, this is me going in for the third time with some more of that purple gel polish. Then I went in with my Beetles top coat and top coated all of the nails. And I didn't go on top of the rhinestones, but I made sure to go around them. And for that pinky and thumb that were just purple, I went in with a gold rhinestone and a purple rhinestone on the half and half nail. So this is what the set looks like. Okay, if you love purple and gold as a color combination, then I'm sure you will love this set. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel for more. Leave those comments and suggestions so that I can know what kind of videos you guys want to see, so that I can produce more of that. Right now my schedule is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 12 p.m. So definitely come back on those days to check out the videos. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I will see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.